This is the shit I deal with on a daily basis.
Believe it or not, at the young age that you are, you brought stability to 4 lives.
What's up, y'all? Ian here, Half Cut Garage. As you can see, we're off grid again this weekend. Week 3, I believe it is. Another lifted lumber.
4.
Friday night. 4?
Week 4?
No.
We moved the cabin 1 week. Piles and stuff. This is week 4.
3, 4, week 4. Anyhow, we're getting a jump on the gun. It's Friday night. We're gonna nail off some trusses and see what happens. Hopefully we don't fall off a ladder. Stay tuned.
It's a Friday night outside the club. The posse pulls in a pickup truck. They try to drink the bar dry and eat all the grub. They talk about their old Ford fixer-up. They're running.
We're going to video now?
May as well document the fuck-ups too.
They talk about their old Ford fixer-up. They're running out of good brands and emptying the tub. Sooner or later, the beer will be gone. They're all here to party, so bring it on. So bring it on out, enjoy the show. Pick up the pretty women and let's all go. Bring it on in.
We got sidetracked here. These little buggers cut a board short, and then now they're just buggering off on it. Never even finished the task at hand. Thinks he's cute.
Bring it on
Oh, wow.
in. From north to south, from every direction, won't you bring it on out? And nobody cares whether it's right or wrong. Hey, we're all here to party, so bring it on.
Kind of forgot about you guys for a little while.
I didn't. We're screwing up, so I ignored them.
Scrapping
First screw up
outside
is
in the parking lot. The smaller man says, hey, is that all you got? Forming an octagon, UFC's drawn. We'll all duke her out till the cops show up. They're all just friends, staging some fun. Bring it on. pretty women, let's all go. Bring it on in from north to south.
Snap them straight.
Every direction, won't you bring it on out? And nobody cares whether it's right or wrong. Hey, we're all here to party, so bring it on. Shots of tequila firing way out back. Music and dancing, a two-step track. The local band's blaring, singing a rowdy song. But all the good times had, they're kicking us out. No more dancing on tables and acting out. I said, now hey, wait a minute, boys. We ain't done nothing wrong. We're all here to party, so bring it on.
I think he pretty much got to come back up, lift it, swing it to here, and then.
So bring it on out, join the show, pick up the pretty women, let's all go. Bring it on in from north to south, every direction.
No more in, no more in. You just need to go down and follow it.
Bring it on out, and nobody cares whether it's right or wrong. Hey, we're all here to party, so bring it on. We're all here to party, so bring it on. Just bring it on. Just bring it on. Just bring it on.
So
I
much
just have to videotape me the whole time.
So much is lost in the younger generation. You guys, it's your universal hello, I guess.
You're
Wow. Right off the bat, you didn't lift from the double side.
Oh, I know.
We're back in the same boat as we were the last one.
Didn't think I was gonna rip a nail out.
Yeah, I kind of agree with you. The whole framing nail deal is turning into be quite the escapade.
Yeah, and they're labeled.
Dan, grab me a block of wood, would you?
Framing nail. That one.
Right there. Just throw it underneath the fucking corner here.
Thanks, Dan. Believe it or not, at the young age that you are, you brought stability to 4 lives.
5. Not really. It was false. Hi, girly.
Oh, Jerry.
Hi, beauty. Hey, Melissa.
You missed a spot.
You missed a
You know
spot.
what? I'm not f***ing tall enough. I'm scared
There's
of
a
heights.
ladder.
Lucky I got that f***ing
Spot I'm
far.
looking at is 5 feet off the ground.
Go paint it then.
Fuck
Well, that's why I asked you if you had the brush still out.
Remind me to order a BC Lions fucking carpet
Why? What is the point of that?
so that we can be on either side of the fence and we can sit here when it's pouring rain with a little miniature football. We can throw it back and forth at each other. And every time that you miss catching it, you have to have a drink.
What the? Are you fucking kidding?
I get to be a co-pilot now, which means I am no longer have to worry about drinking. This is the shit I deal with on a daily basis.
No, it isn't. I'm not around every day. I give you a break once in a while. Melissa, where'd all the sawdust come from? So, week 4. Wrap up. Week 4, day 8, roughly. 9 if you include the one that Daryl and I came up for. Sheds basically done for now until we get the tin on and the door in. Floor's done for the cabin. We ran out of poly, even though I thought I had enough to do 3 cabins, but somehow I got something wrong. That's normal. Parts guy, actually. I think it's parts guy. We stopped paying attention to the fact that the roll from Home Depot is different than the roll from Home Hardware. They could be of different lengths. I check all of our measurements and have everything sorted out so that when we come up here for the long weekend, we could have an extremely productive long weekend and possibly have 4 walls standing on the cabin. It could be advantageous, or not advantageous, what's the word? Ambitious, but I like to set the goal high. Like higher than you are tall. Still low for me.
That was over my head. I didn't get it.
Yeah, that's the wrap.
You two clowns got anything to say?
No. It was a long weekend.
Except for fucking Ian.
Worked too hard.
We're not bringing.
We're gonna set some ground rules here.
Like
You're
we're
allowed
not.
one
We're not.
friend.
We're not bringing your bike.
We're bringing 3 friends.
You're allowed 1 friend. One.
Oh, we better pause for this.
As Papa said, when you have 1 boy, you have 1 boy. When you have 2 boys, you have a half a boy. When you have 3 boys, you have no boys. And once Nick got here, all 3 of you motherfuckers did dick shit to help. We had to beg and plead, just like Papa said. Once you have 3, you have none.